Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Ashton, who flew over here today from Mississippi to get chiropractic care at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And he had his first treatment earlier today, so he's come back this afternoon for his second treatment, and he just missed a great big old thunderstorm. Okay, Ashton, I'm going to have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards for me, please, sir. And then neutral with your eyes closed. He's got a little bit of forward translation and translation to the right on the x-axis. He's a side sleeper. You can tell that. See, his head's cocked over to the right a little bit, and his head turned left a little. His pelvis is shifted just a little bit to the left of center on the x-axis as well, and his left hip's a little higher over here. Okay, Ashton, take a look at that in the mirror. See how your head's kind of cocked over and shifted that way, and then the pelvis is shifted this way and elevated. So let's come over here and we'll decompress you first. So Ashton got his first ring dinger earlier. So this will be his second ring dinger. He'll make this the ring dinger of the day. There we go. Slide down just a little bit right underneath that. Okay. Yeah, lay that flat. There we go. Does that feel like you're in there tight enough?
Yeah.
Really? Here, let me do something. I'm gonna put this there. Now scoot over that way just a little bit. Okay. There. This will be more even. That's better. Feel a little tighter now?
That's very tight.
Yeah, it's that tight. You're not going to get away. Alright, so we bring your legs up parallel with the floor. This is how you should sleep, by the way, is on your back with your legs up parallel with the floor. I recommend people go home and lay on the floor in front of their couch and put their feet up on the couch with no pillow under your head. That's proper biomechanics. Okay, I'm going to wrap this around your skull and your chin. Take a deep breath for me, Ash. Let it all out. Oh, yeah. Home run. Good deal. Get this out of there. Yeah, flipping these here. And being Barnum and Bailey. Yeah, that's a strong adjustment. That gets everything from your skull all the way down to your pelvis.
Got it.
Now, let me get your neck here first. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one tilt left a little bit. Okay. Now, let's come over here on your tummy. Change this paper here. Is that light shining the reflection in the window?
Window, a little bit.
As long as it make me look up.
It's alright. Okay, legs are even. That's a good start. Yeah, that stays even too. That didn't hurt tighten up as much as the first one today, did it?
No, it was real short this morning.
Yep. So we're going to adjust his right SI joint first. His sacrum in the center. Sacrum on the left side. And then his left SI joint right here. Get back on his right SI joint. And now I'm going to move up onto L5. Right there. L4. L3. It's a lot deeper than what it looks on YouTube, huh?
It's very.
There's L3. L2. All the way up to L1. Okay, now just exhale. Oh, yeah. And just keep breathing, my friend. Good job. Okay, scoot down this way just a little bit for me.
I'm trying to relax as much as I can.
Yeah, you're doing fine. Actually doing really good. I'm putting the curve back in your neck now. Okay, let's go on your back now. And just put your head up on that headpiece. Yep, just like that. let's slide you down this way a little bit. Good. And put your arms out like this. And straight out to the sides for me. There you go. Get your AC joints, your clavicle right here where it attaches to your sternum, and your interior ribs here too. Okay. Now, let's get your legs. Just relax your hands on your tummy. There you go. There you go.
Oh,
feel that in your knee and your back?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Feel a little taller about now? Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, let me help you up here and let's get your shoulders next.
Oh, man.
So you've been adjusted before, right?
Yes, sir.
How do the adjustments that I give stack up with the other adjustments you've had in your past?
They're more substantial. Even the ring dinger, I've had it done, but not the way
Similar
you
to
do it.
that, right?
Similar, but yours is very strong and locking
Gets
the
all
pelvis
the way
in,
down, doesn't it?
it get everything.
Yep. Does it give you a lot more relief?
It gave me a lot more relief.
Yep.
I felt like when you pulled, I felt the spine decompress, and then the pelvis being locked in made it go
Lines
even a
that
little
back
deeper.
up too. Yep.
So
That's two. Very good. Okay, let's stand you up in front of the mirror. And I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again, Ash. And remember what this feels like. That's the most important part of this.
Okay.
Now neutral. Okay, take a look. You're right down the middle. Much better, actually. Pull these guys up and back, though.
Okay.
I'm going to bring that head all the way back here like this. You're going to feel a little tap right there. Another one right there. Okay, now try that same thing again. This should feel a little bit smoother. Yep, it's on a swivel. How'd it feel to you?
felt great, and I will say, the adjustments look the same, but
they look the same, like I'm doing the same thing to everybody, but they're different.
This morning when I got my first adjustment, I will say you put your hand right on the tender spots, very sore, very out of alignment, and I feel great.
Yeah, well, praise the Lord. I'm glad you came over here and sharing your story. Thank you.
Yes.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and we'll see you next time.